Hello everybody, welcome, and today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and change Facebook location settings. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go ahead, open up our Facebook app. Once you access our Facebook app, what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon with your horizontal line on top right, and then we're gonna go ahead, tap on this settings and privacy option below, and afterwards what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna tap on the settings option again. And if you scroll down, here in your activity section you will find this device permissions option. Go ahead, tap on it, and here you can see the permission that are allowed and we need location. Go ahead, tap on location. If you tap on this, you can see this how do we use a device location. It's basically for help you check into the places faster, show you more relevant ads, improve account security. But if you want to change it, you have including while using. So whenever you tap on Facebook, you're using your Facebook, this will simply precisely detect your current location where you're using your mobile phone, your Facebook app. If you tap on this never, so it won't show you want to receive this device process location. They will still use things such as your IP address to estimate your location. This are the only settings you have available for options. And if you tap on this update settings, you will find this device setting option. You can go ahead, tap on it. This way it will open up your settings and permissions from your Facebook in your device mobile phone. In the permission section, if you would simply like to turn off your location which is not allowed, you can simply do it, and that's why we have an option of no, not using, or no need to use option as well. So this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.